Hello everyone. Today we will learn 3 words that sound the same but mean different things. These words are called homophones. These 3 words are there, and there. Let's start with the first one. There. So, what is there? This is a short form or contraction of 2 words, they plus are. It describes a group of people or things doing something or being something. The apostrophe shows that we removed the letter A from are. Let's read these examples. 1. They're happy today. 2. They're my best friends. 3. They're eating lunch now. 4. Look at the birds, they're flying so high. 5. I like apples because they're delicious. Next is there. So, what is there? This word shows ownership or possession. It means something belongs to them. Trick. The word there contains the word heir, someone who inherits property. It is always followed by a noun, a thing. Let's read these examples. 1. This is their house. 2. I love their new car. 3. Their dog is very cute. 4. They wash their hands before eating. 5. What are their names? Finally, we have there. What is there? This word is usually about a place opposite of here, or existence, saying something exist. Place pointing to a location, over there. Or existence, there is or there are. Let's read these examples. 1. The book is over there on the table. 2. There is a cat in the garden. 3. There are 20 students in the class. 4. Please go there and wait for me. 5. I love Japan. I want to live there one day.